Have you ever wondered what lies at the heart of a black hole? A place where gravity crushes everything, matter, energy, even light, into oblivion. What if I told you we may have just found out? And no, it's not just science fiction anymore. According to Dr. Michio Kaku and the latest findings in astrophysics, what's inside a black hole could rewrite everything we know about reality. Black holes are among the most mysterious objects in the universe. They form when a massive star collapses under its own gravity. What's left behind is a singularity, a point of infinite density, and an event horizon, the point of no return. But beyond that event horizon, no one really knows what happens. Until now. Michio Kaku, theoretical physicist and author of The God Equation, has been at the forefront of trying to merge Einstein's theory of relativity with quantum mechanics. And black holes? They're the ultimate testing ground. The mystery of the singularity. At the center of a black hole is what's known as a singularity. It's where gravity becomes so strong, so intense, that time and space themselves break down. Einstein's equations simply stop working. But according to Michio Kaku, this isn't the end of the road, it's the beginning of something new. He suggests that at the singularity, quantum gravity takes over. This means we need a new theory, a quantum theory of space and time. And string theory might hold the key. Michio Kaku's perspective. Michio Kaku proposes that black holes don't destroy information. They may actually store it or even transfer it. And here's the kicker. Inside a black hole, we might find a baby universe. Yes, a whole new universe branching off from our own. Imagine that. Each black hole could be the seed of another cosmos. New observations. Are we getting closer? Thanks to the Event Horizon Telescope, we've seen the shadow of a black hole for the first time. We've detected gravitational waves, ripples in space-time caused by the collisions of black holes. And now, quantum physicists are building models of what lies beyond the event horizon. One possibility? That inside, there's no singularity at all, but a structure known as a Planck star. This is where matter rebounds instead of collapsing infinitely. Information paradox solved? Stephen Hawking once shocked the world by saying black holes destroy information. But later, even he admitted that this created a paradox. Michio Kaku takes it further. He believes black holes act more like cosmic hard drives, storing information in holographic form on their surface. It's called the holographic principle, and it means the 3D reality inside the black hole might be encoded in 2D on its event horizon. Mind blown. Wormholes and multiverses. If string theory is correct and black holes connect dimensions, then guess what? They may also be wormholes. Not just shortcuts through space, but bridges to entirely new universes. Michio Kaku speculates that our universe could have formed inside such a black hole. And this could be happening all over the cosmos. What would happen if you fell in? So what happens if you fall into a black hole? From the outside, it looks like you freeze at the event horizon. But from your point of view, you fall straight in. Some theories suggest you'd be stretched, spaghettified, into atoms. Others suggest that quantum effects would preserve your information. But here's the new idea. You wouldn't just die. You might be reborn in another universe. The theory of everything. Black holes are not just cosmic monsters. They are the key to the theory of everything. If we can understand what happens inside them, we may finally unify quantum mechanics and general relativity. We may solve the deepest mysteries of space, time, and existence itself. And Michio Kaku believes we're this close. Final thoughts, the big picture. So, what's inside a black hole? A singularity? A gateway? A new universe? Thanks to scientists like Michio Kaku, we're finally starting to crack open the mystery. And while we may not have all the answers yet, one thing is clear: black holes aren't just the end. They may be the beginning of everything. If this video made you question your place in the universe, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Because here on Space Knowhow, we take you where science meets imagination. And remember, the more we look into the void, the more the void reveals about us.